Hi, and welcome to the 6th video of 9 in the Writing Your Document series. Previous videos cover different features that you can use when writing your Mello document. But remember, you don't have to watch this series in sequence. In this video, you will learn all about adding line numbers to your text. This includes how to activate, configure, and style line numbering. Line numbering is a Mello feature that automatically numbers document elements, either lines or paragraphs. Mello displays the line numbers outside the page margin without affecting the document layout. It's used in specific types of documents. Think legal papers, transcripts, interviews, and other types. You can format line numbers in different ways to meet your exact needs. Line numbers are part of the section style, which means that different sections in the document can have different preferences for the format and style of their line numbering. So, without further ado, let's get going and add line numbers to a section in your document. First, you place your cursor inside the desired section. Then click the section and choose the Attributes tab. Now, use the line numbering pop-up menu to choose either Restart with Page, Restart with Section, or Continuous. These options refer to when the numbering will be reset, and we will explain the different options later on in this video. But for now, let's choose Continuous. You can see that the line numbers are added to the left of the text in our document. If you want to remove the line numbers, simply repeat the same action and this time select None. Of course, you can also activate line numbering as part of a section style and then apply that style to the desired text. To learn more about using styles, refer to our Styling Your Document series and Working with Style series. Once activated, you can edit several line numbering attributes by choosing Edit Attributes from the Line Numbering pop-up menu. You can set the initial number for numbering your lines by entering a value in the Start At text box, and also change the increment between each two ensuing lines by using the Increment text box. You can also use the Type pop-up menu to set the numbering scheme. If you want to count paragraphs rather than lines, use the Count pop-up menu to choose the desired option. By default, Mello ignores empty lines. To change this, uncheck the Ignore Empty Lines checkbox. And finally, you can configure Mello to use up to 10 different numbering channels, which enable managing 10 different numbering streams in the same document. This is useful when you need to number lines in different parts of the document separately. For example, numbering the main body text in one stream while numbering quotes in another. To associate a section with a specific numbering channel, use the Numbering Channel pop-up menu to choose the desired channel. Now that you configured your line numbers, you probably want to know how to style them as well. This is also performed using the Edit Attributes window. To apply character attributes to the line numbers, click the Character Attributes button to open the Character Attributes popover and choose any desired attributes. By default, Mello displays numbers for every counted line or paragraph, and to change this, use the Display Every text box to enter the desired value for display frequency. Now, when a display frequency other than 1 is selected, you can configure Mello to always number the first or last lines, regardless of the frequency setting. To do this, check these checkboxes to meet your needs. Another option that becomes available is to configure Mello to only count the numbered lines by checking this checkbox. Next, you can use the functions under the position area to change the position of the line numbers. Use the Relative to Text pop-up menu to determine their position relative to the text, and enter a value in the Distance from text box to determine the distance between the line numbers and the text. Use the Alignment pop-up menu to determine the alignment of line numbers within the page margins. And finally, you can use the functions under Separator to add and format a separating line between the line numbers and the text. You can set the line type, its weight, and its color. Enter a value in the Distance from line text box to set the distance between the line and the document text. So this concludes this video. You should now be able to add, configure, and style line numbers in your document. We definitely recommend that you view and try the corresponding tutorial to practice what you've just learned. So go ahead, click the link below and give it a try. So what's next? In the next video, you will learn all about inserting different types of breaks into your document. We hope you've enjoyed this video and appreciate any feedback you may provide, so go ahead and comment. Bye!